Hey guys, I have a 2004 TL car won't start. We're checking the fuses and everything else. I can't find anything wrong with it. All the fuses are good. So I just find out it was like this part here, this electrical part. Is attached to the steering rack. Well, right here. This part here. So basically the car won't start. So in order to move it to my house, I just have these two cables connected. I'll show you where it's located at. Steering wheel is right here in the bottom part. See, you're located out here. So this is the connector, right? You see the ignition key is right here. It's connected in the bottom part of the ignition switch. So this is the part. Just push to remove this. I gotta put my camera down. Hold on. You see, I connected the bottom parts, this one and this one. And then what I did, it's just the bottom part of the connector. You see, it's a white wire, and the other one is white, this stripped one. See this one? I don't know if you see it or not, but so basically the bottom part, this white wire, what I did, I just peeled it off. See it? I peeled it off. The other one too. I don't know, let me see, you can see or not. Right here. You see it? This is one, and this is the other one. It's a black one with a straight white color, and this is the other cable. You can test it like that. I mean, just be careful. Disconnect the battery first, and then peel it off here, and peel it off the other wire. Okay, and then in order to see if that's the part I'm telling you, just open the switch in the on position all the way, and then put these cables together. But hold on, let me connect the battery. Always, if you're gonna do something like that, disconnect the battery. And then you already peeled the cables. Tie this one. All right. Battery is already connected. Like I said, you see, I open the switch like that, position, and then when the switch on, touch both cables like this. That's it. When you start it up, leave them alone. That's it. It's the only way to find out if the part I'm telling you is this one, the electrical part, is bad. So in this case, you need these two cables in order to bypass this part. So this part you can buy it in any dealership or something. All right, helps you. This video helps you to fix your car. All right, just take precautions with the battery. Like I said, disconnect the battery and everything in order to do this. All right, always safe first. Okay guys, helps you. This video helps you. Okay, take it easy. Bye.